Hello ladies and gentlemen, how do you? Today I come back with one new topic, which is an interesting topic. How can we make our GitHub profile an impressive within 5 minutes? So let's dive into that. So you have to navigate to profileme.dev website. So if you navigate to that, it will give you such like pages. So go to create profile. Then in the profile tab, just go to here. Hi, it says just you can fill this form. Only if you fill this form, then it will make it an impressive for you. Within 5 minutes you will finish your work. So here your name, let me say Becky. My name is Becky. So wavy hand is, let me make it movable. Adobe. So subtitle developer. Then long description, a full stack engineer, and something. Just you can write that. Then your location, let me make it Africa. I'm based in Africa. Your portfolio, just you have an application, just you have to put the link for your application here. Then contact me, your email address pk@gmail.com. Then your application is here. So currently you are interested project is machine learning. Let me say it. You can specify the project that you are interested in. Machine learning and any other what you are interested project should be specified here. Maybe you may add just Adobe editing. As you see in the preview pane, here is just what I created before. So let me proceed again. Just next section, click next section, and here is your skills. So if you have C skill, just add it. C, then for example C++, C Sharp, CoffeeScript, Draft, Git, JavaScript, Java, then TypeScript, blah blah, PHP. In the front end, just HTML5, React, XJS, CSS3, and so on. From the backend, you can specify Node.js, Fast API, others maybe .NET, Django, Laravel. So as you click select here, just it is added here for you. So and other softwares, Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, After Effects, Premiere Pro, and other Web3 apps. So what you have to specify what you have the experience with these courses. So after doing that, press next. So here your GitHub profile name, for example, let me put my GitHub profile name. Here is Piquero. So my Twitter name, here is Parakatena1, and here is your hashnode profile, Medium profile. You have to specify all that. Your linker also. Linker for example, just let me add a linker name, profile link. You have to specify yours. So for my case, let me add from this linker. So let me go to my profile and let me copy my profile link profile name, and let me paste it here. And you have to specify your YouTube link also, and others, your Facebooks, your Twitter, your Stack Overflow name, Becky, and others. So press next again here, Then again, if you just show your graphs here just on your languages, you have to select from here. If you wanna to show your commit messages, just select here. Here it is, your GitHub profile, issue, private commits, you contributors for your GitHub account. Just you can select here. As you see, total contributors just last year 0, total commits 3. Then commit strikes. We can also display our commit graphs here. Views, just this is our commit graphs. So for my GitHub profile, so top languages, it will provide you the top languages here. Top repositories, you have to specify your top repository's name. For example, if you have printf, just you have to specify that. And others also, tutors and follower counters. If you wanna to display your follower counters from your GitHub profile, also you have to click here, so you will see that. Also, as you see, graph. Okay, here is just our GitHub profile preview. So after doing this, what you have to do is just you have to copy, or you have to click this link and go to your GitHub profile, come into your GitHub. So after getting into your GitHub, just create one repository, name it just that have the same as your GitHub name. For example, for my case, just I have, let me show you my GitHub profile. Here is just my GitHub profile name, Becky Yarom. Do you see that? So what you have to do is you have to create a repository that has the name similar to this GitHub profile name. So let me navigate to my Git repo. So if I want to create, just I will say new. For my case, I create already the GitHub repository that have similar name with my GitHub profile name. So here this repository name and this GitHub profile name are the same. So I navigate into this, then I will add the readme files. After adding this, I will just wanna to edit this one. I press edit, then I will select all from here. I will delete this. I delete this, so let me copy that what I have done before. Here it is, copy. So I copied it already, so what I have to do is I will come to here and I will paste this. Then I will say save here. After saving this and committing this readme file changes, so navigate to your GitHub profile, GitHub, then here is my GitHub profile. Let me see. So an amazing GitHub profile within 5 minutes. So it looks like this. So it is an impressive and mostly looks awesome. Thank you for viewing this video. Also, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and like and share for your friends. Thanks.